The BlueFan family has expanded with a new BF62 wall fan. BF62 is one of the largest fans, with a direct-driven motor designed for animal production. As we like to say, more is more. As you may know from the other members of the BlueFan family, the focus is on high performance, energy efficiency, long durability, and intelligent design. Savings on installation costs and electricity bills ensure a quick return on investment and a lasting reduction in energy consumption. Reducing installation costs decreases the total investment. By selecting the BF62 high-capacity BlueFan, you can install fewer units to achieve the necessary air capacity. The cone design optimizes installation, allowing closer fan positioning. The BF62 is mounted in a unique body frame that reduces the need for a robust building structure. Its solid body frame design provides adequate support. The fan motor is connected to this body frame via a suspension system, which ensures smooth fan operation. Additionally, the BF62 features an air-controlled shutter, eliminating the need for wiring to a shutter motor, as it is activated through the fan speed. Choosing the BF62 BlueFan ultimately minimizes your investment costs. The BF62 is constructed from reinforced plastic and stainless steel, making it highly durable for use in livestock houses. The materials used are UV resistant, allowing the unit to withstand harsh sunlight. The cone's design has also been tested in a wind tunnel to ensure it can endure strong wind conditions. This fan features direct drive fan blades, eliminating the need for belt adjustments or maintenance. Further, the shutter system is easily removable to access the fan for cleaning and maintenance. The BF62 is securely mounted in a unique body frame, and the sealing around the frame minimizes the risk of water leakage that could damage the building. Therefore, we can confidently say that BF62 was developed for harsh environments inside and outside the building.